Hey everyone, it's Jacob coming to you from LA with another daily vlog. As some of you might know, I am in town recording the audio version for my upcoming book, The Future Leader. And since my parents live in LA, I'm going to be staying with them over the next 4 or 5 days while I'm doing these recordings. And today I wanted to do a video about two things that seemingly might not be related, but I think really are. And those two things are both things that I'm really passionate about. It's exercising, weightlifting, eating healthy, and also leadership. So I've been working out for the majority of my life. I try to eat healthy, I exercise, I push myself constantly. And if you've ever gone to the gym and exercised, you know that what happens after you work out is you get that sore feeling. Your muscles get sore. Now, if you don't really push yourself and you do kind of a light workout, you'll find that the following few days, you're not really gonna feel that sore. In other words, the soreness comes in when you really push yourself, when you really challenge yourself, when you add that extra, the heavier weight in there. And what happens is when you do that, your muscles actually micro tear. And a lot of people, I don't know if they're aware of this, but really when you work out and challenge and push yourself, you're actually tearing your muscles, little small tears. And what happens is when you recover, when you rest, your muscles heal. And when they heal, that's when they strengthen. In other words, to get stronger, you first have to go through a process of tearing down so that you can rebuild and become bigger and better than before. And I think the same is very much true for leadership. In other words, if you want to become a better leader, if you want to become a future-ready leader, you first have to go through a little bit of this process of tearing down, breaking down, challenging convention, getting rid of your outdated ways of thinking about work and leadership. And it's very much, again, this analogy of exercising, of working out. You have to push yourself. You have to make yourself uncomfortable first so that you can see the results later. In other words, exercising, leadership is a bit like exercising. You want to get that sore feeling the next day. In other words, you want to know that you pushed yourself and challenged yourself to the point where the next day you're kind of like, oh, you know what? I'm a little sore. All right, I'm not used to that. And the way that you do that in the world of leadership is you challenge your conventional ideas about what it means to work. You practice a lot of the skills and the mindsets that I talk about in the book, which I'll talk about more in these daily vlogs as we get closer to the book launch as well. But for now, I just wanted to plant that seed in your mind, the seed of to become the future-ready leader, to become a better leader, you first have to start with breaking down your concepts, your outdated ways of thinking about leadership first. Push yourself into the uncomfortable. And then what that is going to allow you to do is to come out on the other side being better, bigger, faster, stronger, and a better leader. So I hope that analogy makes sense. Those of you who exercise, those of you who work out, those of you who are in leadership positions, I'm sure you'll be able to relate to a lot of these concepts and ideas as well. But that's it. As you can tell, I'm kind of slurring over my words. It's 11 o'clock here. I'm tired. And so it's been a long day. But I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. And remember, become that great leader. You got to push yourself and get out of the comfortable and into the uncomfortable. It's okay to feel a little bit sore.